Hello and welcome to another update of Forgo the Fear. This one's a short one, but it has some important changes to gameplay systems. So what I ended up doing is I took the idle animations with the gun out, and I took the gun away and added an image like of the gun and the arm. Actually, let me quick see if I can pull that up. Oh, nothing's working. Okay, hold on one sec. Yes, okay. So, as you can see, this is just this is the actual arm and gun that, the character had before, and I've isolated it and have removed it from the character, and I'm using it just as an extra bitmap or whatever in game. Okay, so that'll make sense in a second here. So, with that image, I'm able to, if I hold in if I put the stick in a direction, which is how we're, telling the character to get the gun out, you'll see that the character sprite, the idle animation, has no gun attached. That arm and pistol is being drawn on top. Now, the reason we do this, or the reason I wanted to do this, is that if you turn the stick like I'm doing here, we did not have this ability before. We had like just 6 positions. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that's gonna be tough if a character if you're not able to hit him from those 6 directions. So I wanted to put in a way that you could feel like you're aiming where you want to aim and the bullets are going where you want them to go. And this is also really good because now when adding different guns, when adding things your characters are holding, stuff like that, we don't need hundreds of different animations with that new object attached. All we need is one new sprite or whatever with the arm holding something else. We could have it holding a rifle, holding a shotgun, that kind of thing. Now I've put in the work to have bullets shoot at the right places too, like worked out the math so that wherever you're shooting, the character is shooting as well. So yeah, this is a really, really awesome change. Now I haven't done this to any other animations yet, so you'll see like when I'm running, this is a good example where you actually see you see 2 guns when my character's running because I haven't taken the gun out of that animation, but I will. And then I'm looking forward to making some new guns, some assault rifles, shotguns, stuff like that our character can hold, and it'll just all work the same, which I'm really excited about. So that's the first thing I did. There's still some stuff that probably needs to be changed with the... it all looks pretty good. I don't know. There's always some stuff to kind of make it look a little better. I think the rotating of the sprite sometimes causes a white artifact. You can see there right between the gun and the face. There's a bit of a white artifact there when I'm rotating it. So there's certain problems. Okay, so moving on. The only other thing I did this week was get our wall sliding back in. I don't know when this broke, but it did, and I've kind of redone it so that it looks a lot better anyway. Let me change this really quick to be a little better, just so we can see. Alright, so you see about a little wall thing, kind of like a bunch of walls in our little test environment here, and you can see that we have the thing we had before where we're sliding, we're able to jump up the wall like that, and then by hitting right on the D-pad, now you're seeing some of the collision box stuff that's not quite working correctly, but if I hit right, let's see, let's try it over here. This wasn't happening before. There we go. So you can see we're jumping back and forth there. As you I think this is a byproduct of the new collision box change, where these are all not just regular boxes anymore. I can kind of show that off. I'm gonna append a video to the end of this one showing this new collision box thing. But if I go to our tiles and turn on the collision boxes, you can see, here. Put it here. So you can see here that these are just one long rectangle now instead of a bunch of different little squares. And so I think there's some work to be done to kind of fix some of the collision detection stuff, where I think what's happening is I'm colliding, it's detecting a wrong collision on the right side or the left side there. So that'll be something I have to fix. But you can see the wall sliding basically working, the wall jumping from that right there. So have that back in. So yeah, for next time I'd like to get some new weapons in. And yeah, we'll see where we go from there. Thanks for watching.